Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the best 3D printer door handles, which are sure to take your 3D printing experience to a whole new level. These 3D printers are especially for users looking for a reliable and dependable door handle that will last through frequent use. With that in mind, we will explore the best 3D printers for door handles that can help you reach the highest levels of accuracy and detail. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make a massive difference in the performance of your creations. To help you out, we've compiled a list of the top 3D printers for door handles that offer excellent features and durable construction. The output of each 3D printer is specially designed for ideal strength and accuracy. From precision 3D printing to a wide range of door handle materials. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So, without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is our QIDI Technology Max 3 3D printer. The QIDI Technology Max 3 3D printer is not just your ordinary 3D printer, it's a game changer, and let's talk about the most incredible part, the door handle. Imagine having a 3D printer that's blazing fast and gives you the power to create your wildest dreams at your fingertips. That's precisely what this door handle represents, endless possibilities. This door handle isn't your run-of-the-mill handle, it's like the key to a treasure trove of creativity. With lightning-fast speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second and precision like no other, you'll be crafting masterpieces in no time. The Max 3's Core XY structure and Clipper firmware make it a breeze to use straight out of the box so you can get to printing without delay. And let's remember they're members with materials. Whether using standard PLA or diving into specialty filaments like carbon fiber, the Max 3's direct drive extruder can handle it. So, if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is the original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D printer. When it comes to 3D printers, the original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus stands out as the reigning champion in the world of 3D printing, and its door handle is no exception. This DIY kit is a masterpiece waiting to be assembled, offering an adventure that combines the joy of creation with cutting-edge technology. Imagine opening the box to discover a treasure trove of possibilities. This printer eliminates the setup hassle with its fully automatic mesh bed leveling process. No more fiddling with knobs or calibrations, just hit print and watch the magic happen. The door handle of the MK3S Plus is like a secret handshake to the 3D printing world. It features an IR filament sensor that ensures your prints never run out of material unexpectedly. And the icing on the cake? It supports filament autoloading to keep the creative juices flowing seamlessly. Crafted with precision and equipped with top-notch components like genuine Gates belts and Bondtech drive gears, this printer is a workhorse that promises unparalleled reliability. Its ANYCUBIC Rambo motherboard ensures smooth sailing throughout your 3D printing journey. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 3 is ANYCUBIC Vyper Auto Leveling 3D Printer. In today's dynamic world of 3D printing, the ANYCUBIC Vyper stands as a beacon of innovation, and let's delve into the exceptional design of its door handle. This element encapsulates the essence of this remarkable 3D printer. As you gracefully engage the handle, you access cutting-edge features that redefine 3D printing. The intelligent auto-leveling system, boasting a 16-point precise pressure strain gauge, ensures that your print bed is flawlessly calibrated, eliminating the need for tedious manual adjustments. The generously spacious print area offers a canvas for your creative visions to flourish. At the same time, Vyper's impressive printing speed saves you valuable time, allowing you to bring your designs to life swiftly and efficiently. There's more to this door handle story. The Vyper's door conceals a durable, removable magnetic platform designed with a unique coating and spring steel combination. This innovation facilitates the effortless removal of your printed models, ensuring longevity and rust resistance with minimal maintenance requirements. So, if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Creality Ender 3 Neo 3D printers. If anyone's in the hunt for a 3D printer that's as versatile as it is exciting, look no further than the Creality Ender 3 Neo. This marvelous machine is not just for crafting regular 3D prints, it's also your go-to partner for creating unique and personalized door handles that will dazzle anyone who lays eyes on them. With its CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling feature, you'll find leveling your print bed a breeze, ensuring those door handles come up perfectly aligned. Plus, it's so silent you won't even hear it working its magic, no noisy distractions while you're focused on other tasks. The all-metal extruder ensures your prints come out smooth and blockage-free, perfect for crafting intricate and artistic door handle designs. Thanks to its efficient heat dissipation and reliable build surface, your handles will be strong, warp-resistant, and securely adhered. But here's the kicker, the Ender 3 Neo is a lifesaver regarding power outages. It remembers your progress and continues right where it left off, saving precious creations from going to waste. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 5 is Voxelab Aquila X2 3D Printer. The Voxelab Aquila X2 3D Printer is an optimistic and innovative addition for door handles that bring a touch of magic to your DIY projects. Imagine having a door handle that's stylish, functional, and easy to create. The Aquila X2 3D Printer is your key to unlocking the door to creativity. With its lightning-fast heating time of just 5 minutes, this printer is ready to work its 3D printing magic in no time. Plus, it operates so quietly that you'll hardly notice it's there. The printing sounds are hushed to a mere whisper, below 50 decibels. No more annoying disturbances. But what sets the Aquila X2 apart is its intelligence. If the power unexpectedly cuts off during a print, fear not. This intelligent printer remembers where it left off and seamlessly continues when the power is restored. It's like a superhero that never quits. Equipped with a 32-bit silent motherboard, Aquila X2 is a true ninja of the 3D printing world, ensuring your experience is as quiet as a whisper. It's not just a printer, it's a game-changer for your DIY door handle dreams. So, if you want to buy a fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for multicolor printing. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.